Hey there! It's been 15 years now, and in 2024 there has finally been the approval for 11 Bitcoin ETFs all at once. Do you really think the space is going to stagnate from this point? I'm more convinced than ever, and you should try to get educated on this stuff. Here are 10 more coins presented in 40-second shorts. Please visit my channel and subscribe for frequent updates and the newest craze in cryptocurrency. Thank you. Decentralized exchanges are pretty cool, but they're all bound to certain blockchains. If you want to trade cross-chain, you need to use wrapped tokens, which is pretty annoying but not necessary with THORchain. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. An automated market maker technology provides a decentralized platform for users to trade digital assets across different blockchains without the need for centralized intermediaries. So to wrap it up, THORchain is a decentralized liquidity pool that allows users to trade across various networks without losing full custody in the process. You must commit a minimum of between 300,000 and 1 million rune to participate in its rotating consensus though, but I still think that all those forks! I can't even keep track! Bitcoin, then Bitcoin Cash, then BitcoinSV. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. SV stands for Satoshi Vision, and the company N-Chain claims to fulfill the true vision of Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper. The major difference between Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Satoshi Vision is the difference in block sizes. While Bitcoin is 1 megabyte per block, Bitcoin Cash raised the size to 8232 megabytes, and now Bitcoin SV from 128 megabyte to 2 gigabytes. It can increase whatever it wants. Behind the project is a company which makes it not even remotely as attractive as the pretty orange we learned to love so much. I hope you didn't get lost with "It is time for a new internet." Man, I've heard that way too often while doing my work. The new competitor, Multiverse X. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. The former known Elrond describes itself as a technology ecosystem for a new internet. Through sharding technology, it provides DeFi, smart contracts and Internet of Things applications. With Multiverse X, you get up to 50k transactions per second, low latency and a fraction of a cent in transaction fees. The very apically named electronic gold EGLD token serves as a reward, payment, store of value and governance token. There are just so many projects around that stood up and yelled, "This project takes ages to render, if only I had a better GPU to speed this up." Exactly, this is the service provided by Render. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. Render is a blockchain project that provides pretty much exactly the service it is named after. If you want to borrow some GPU power from other people, they can provide their idle GPU via blockchain technology for 3D artists to speed up their workflow. Of course, the underlying crypto is used for payments, rewards and to govern the project. So maybe you're an artist sitting in your chair thinking, have you trusted this guy? If yes, I guess you got wrecked during the FTX collapse in 2022. And now, the token of the exchange is back in the top 100 and I absolutely don't know why. Introducing FTT. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. The great Sam Bankman-Fried is going to sit in jail for the next 100 years or so, but meanwhile the new CEO John J. Ray III has overtaken, and if you want to invest in a governance token for an exchange that dropped thousands of people, feel free to put your money where you want. But don't let me ask you again, don't you want to live on this planet anymore? Next best thing, we have a virtual worlds like Second Life or World of Warcraft. Now imagine one of those worlds with a blockchain economy and you get Decentraland. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. Decentraland is a virtual world built on the Ethereum blockchain. Your house is an NFT, your shoes are NFTs, literally anything you can buy in this world with the underlying currency mana is an NFT. There were even job offers inside the world, so get your VR goggles and start as a cashier in Decentraland. Jokes aside, cool idea and will maybe one day be in the history books as the prototype of something greater. I don't really think it is anything more, but hey. Virtual worlds are beautiful and sometimes we can be a different version of ourselves there and enjoy some adventures with our friends. That's the most positive thing I can say, because there is Sandbox. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. Like any other online world, you can walk around, look at stuff and create stuff. The only difference here is that this world is built on the Ethereum blockchain and everything you buy or sell is an NFT offered and sold with the underlying SAND token. The difference between Decentraland and Sandbox is merely that Decentraland Decentraland is governed by mana holders, while Sandbox is pretty much led by the development team. So not so Decentraland, but still. Twitch commercials, TikTok algorithm, YouTube censorship, well, no wonder new platforms try to dethrone the kings. This one here is on the blockchain and its name is THETA TV. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. So the main points of this project is a decentralized structure, where viewers earn T-Fuel tokens for watching content, while creators get also tipped in T-Fuel. People can further share bandwidth by providing the computing resources for the network via being a THETA edge node. The big plan is to bring video streaming, live and on demand, to the Web3 space. So maybe time's over for forks here, forks there, forks everywhere. The process is sometimes necessary but also annoying. There is a project that found other solutions. Introducing Tezos. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. Tezos is pretty much another Ethereum with an important improvement. It can evolve and adapt without undergoing hard forks. The XCC token is used to vote for improvements that will be then put forward to the developers. Tezos calls itself a project that is secure, upgradable and built to last. Smart contracts can be written with a Michelson programming language and of course the usual layer 1 problems, but at least one problem is solved, and that is paying transaction fees is always annoying when using cryptocurrency. There is a project that just requires you to hold it. The transactions are completely free. This is EOS. Tell me what you think about the project in the comments. Block.one is the company behind the project, and they call EOS the market's most scalable, divisible and programmable digital currency. Devs can go crazy building on EOS because it supports various programming languages and provides a variety of tools and resources. The cons are already mentioned. There is a company behind it, a big red flag, and an ever-growing competition. EOS has quite a large community behind it though that decided to use it because